Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to lock your Facebook profile using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to give your login details and log into your Facebook account. Once you're there, you have to right click on your touchpad and select inspect. Once you select inspect, it's gonna give you a few options. Well, right left at the elements option, you can see a little icon. Tap on it, and on your screen you can see it will look like it's your phone. Well, now you have to access your profile. You can do it by tapping on your profile picture and selecting your name. After you do that, on your profile page, locate and click on the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Lock Profile, and a pop-up window will appear explaining what locking your profile does. Read the information and click on Lock Your Profile to confirm. If the Lock Profile option isn't visible, it might be because this feature is not available in a country or region. In such cases, you can manually adjust your privacy settings to enhance your profile security. And guys, that's it. That's how you lock your profile. Make sure it's available in your country or region. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.